What's up, Cougars? I'm Aiden.
And I'm Nikki.
And a brand new episode of Cougar TV starts right now.
I don't know about you, but I'm in Key Club, DECA, and Drama Club.
Wow, what a flex. Well, I'm a co-president of the Career Crazies Club, and I'm also in DECA. So. Speaking of clubs, FBLA is a great one to join.
Absolutely. Future Business Leaders of America is a great way to introduce yourself to the world of business.
Dylan and Nicole can tell you all about it. Let's see what they have to say.
FBLA, or Future Business Leaders of America, is a great way to start your pathway into the business world.
Our meetings typically include guest speakers from RTP.
Another thing FBLA does is field trips, where basically we take a look into how the businesses work and the different people that are involved.
Guest speakers, competitions, and field trips. Doesn't that sound right up your alley? That's right. Another huge thing about FBLA is our competitions to states and regionals.
There's tons of events even for people who don't have a lot of experience with business.
There's something there for everyone. We hope to see you at the next meeting on Thursday the 26th.
The game was so fun on Friday.
I know, the student section was wild.
Here's Jackson with a recap from last Friday's football game.
What's up, Apex? My name's Jackson. I'm here to tell you a few things about homecoming. For starters, starting Monday, September 23rd, all the way until Friday, September 27th, we're gonna have Spirit Week. You can check out the themes on our Twitter at Cougar20Crazies. Then, following that, we're gonna have the homecoming parade. Starting at 4 o'clock at Salem Baptist Church, we're gonna be parading all the way down to the skate park. Then, after that, we're gonna have a tailgate on the top deck starting at 5:30 for a black, green, and gold homecoming game, which starts at 7 o'clock. Our homecoming dance costs $20. The tickets are super easy to get. You can get them during both lunches starting September 16th and at any football game for $20. The dance is on September 28th.
Thanks, Jackson.
Last Friday's football game was fun, but this Friday's game will be even better.
That's right, it's homecoming week, if you couldn't already tell by our cowboy and alien attire.
That's not what you should wear to the dance, though, or what you should wear to ask someone to the dance.
Well, you don't know that for sure. Let's see what Meb and Krista have to say about it.
Find potential homecoming date. It doesn't matter who it is. Make sure that you guys would look good together and they know who you are. Remember, you don't have much time left, so you might have to lower your standards. Your next step is to start watching over their Instagram and tracking their Snapchat score. Locate any other date options for them and remove them from their lives. Doesn't matter how, just block them out. Your target is confirmed. There is no going back from here. Approach Target and start a conversation. Keep the conversation strictly about homecoming topics. You don't have time to mess around. Homecoming is in 2 days.
Excited for the homecoming game?
I'm so excited. I'm going all out.
Do you have a homecoming date yet?
Not yet.
Oh my gosh, Dylan, isn't this homecoming dress so cute? I think I should buy it. What do you think? Do you think I should get it?
This is crunch time. Step up your game now. At this point, it could get borderline creepy, but don't let that stop you. Track him on Snap Maps and show up wherever he is. Make sure everywhere you are, you mention how great of a place it could be to take homecoming pictures together. If at this point the target hasn't asked you yet, better luck next year.
Or you could always just go with a group of friends.
And remember, don't dress up like a cowboy or an alien when you're trying to ask someone to homecoming.
Well, I guess I was wrong.
Yeah, good thing Meb and Krista were here to help.
Well, that's all we have for this week's episode.
Yes, it is, but keep up the spirit. Tomorrow is Senior Citizen Day.
And Friday is Black, Gold, and Green.
And don't forget that October 1st from 5 to 8 is the Cougar TV fundraiser at Ruckus.
Well, I'm Aiden.
And I'm Nikki.
And thank you for tuning in to another episode of Cougar TV.